Don't you say I greet you? What brings you here so early to make you leave so angry and so unhappy?
You know, Kayoka. I've made my money a greater burden than I came with. So, he owes me 10 scores of cows and will never pay.
Father, debts and debts and debts every day. I can't understand. We arranged to go to the farm early in the morning, and here you are again at the flute. I think it's the only thing that matters in this world.
Who gave you the authority to speak to your father like that? Who are you?
Father, you must stop all this and pay your debts. It is becoming a disgrace to my honor and hard work.
Shut up! Shut up, Ogongo. Have I ever asked you to pay off my debt for me?
And so what?
You asked me, so what? You?
Flute and debts every day, nothing else. How can I respect you?
You mean you do not even respect me anymore?
Yes, I don't.
Shut your big broad mouth. Enoka, I have spoken to you many a time about the flute, drinks, death. Your honor is that of your children, and theirs is yours. Enoka, when does an old man grow old? A man can learn from his children, you know. When are you going to grow older and wiser? Eh?
Things for naught, and the center cannot